Hey folks, Big T and
the Sugar Bear.
and today you're probably wondering why we're sitting in the dark. Well, there's a reason for it. But how can we fix this?
We need some light from a cloud.
I have an idea. But before we get started, I want to send out a shout out to Big Mama T, my mom, her grandma, because today is her birthday and she's the one we're making it for. So, make one for your mom, make one for your grandma, your kids, your next door neighbor, that creepy cousin that just won't leave you alone come Thanksgiving. Well, just make it for whoever you want. So what are you going to need? You're going to need a pair of scissors, paper lanterns.
Yeah.
I actually got these at the Dollar Tree, 2 for $1. We're going to go for a big one today. We got 3. I mean, you can make them as small as 1 if you really wanted to. And it'd be kind of like a cute little cloud. And it also kind of depends on
how much light you got.
Your LED strip. Now, I'm using an LED strip mostly because of this magic little thing, which is a remote. I picked this up at the local Wally World for $5, and I've already made one, and it's worked great. And
you'll need some string too.
Yeah, you'll need string, tape,
Oh.
some kind of glue. Today, I think we're going to try out this clear gel tacky glue. I think that's it. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do, you're going to take your
lantern.
Paper lantern, yeah. You're going to want to poke a hole in it because you're going to run the LED through it. Now, depending on what kind of paper lantern you have, you might need to poke a bigger hole. Oh, and on the lighting, when it comes to lighting, if you want to use a traditional kind of light, you can probably do that like Halloween lights or Christmas lights or whatever, but you just won't have the option to fiddle around with it as much. Just whatever you do, make sure you get something that doesn't put out a whole lot of heat, because these are paper lanterns, folks. These will burn up fast. But don't worry, Mom, the thing that we're using won't burn up fast. I don't know, 3 is going to be awful big. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
You want to just do 2?
Mm-hmm.
So, change of plans. Like I said, we're only going to do 2. Okay, once you got your lights all situated in, go ahead and take your tape. You can actually glue these together if you want, but, tape's a whole lot easier.
Don't take my thumb.
Yeah. You got 2 thumbs, don't worry about it. Alright, once you got this, you're doing alright. Make sure whatever you plug it in, or if it's got a battery pack, whatever kind of light you're using, make sure that you have easy access to it, and make sure there's a little bit of cord hanging over, because the next part gets a little fluffy.
Yeah.
Actually, before you do that,
you might
take a decent amount of string, depending on how high or how low you're wanting to hang your cloud. I don't know how high Big Mom Trig's going to want to get, so I'm just going to kind of give her a fair amount. Yeah. So, now it doesn't look like much, and I mean, technically you could just leave it at that if you're a weirdo.
Yeah.
But we are not weirdos. Well, we are, but
but not today.
Now, what you're going to want to do next, take your glue, get you a decent little chunk there, and then just pull a thing of fluff and boom it on there. Now we're going to find out how well this sticky glue, tacky crap doesn't work. Hot glue may have been a better choice.
Yeah.
So like I said, start with the hot glue gun. Now of course, when working with hot glue, be careful.
Yeah.
Don't burn yourself.
That's why I'm using a stick.
Now don't batten this down all the way to where you don't have the fluffiness. You do want some fluffy, but you do want to make sure it's attached enough to where it doesn't fly every which way.
Anyways, we're gonna have to edit this thing out.
Yeah, most of this is gonna be gone because I don't think anybody wants to sit here and watch me struggle with this. They want to do like all other YouTubers. See how easy this is? This doesn't take any effort whatsoever. It's super easy. Also, if you have any kind of animals, be careful. They will tear these things up quick.
We're giving you a handy hint.
Big T and the Sugar Bell handy hint. All you gotta do is go to our Patreon page and donate for the handy hint. Crap, sticking. Let go. And once you have it to the point where it's starting to look pretty good, you can actually just take little pieces like this, just kind of stuff them in there, cover up any of the holes, and again, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then once you have it like that, the only thing left to do is test it out. And there you have it. You have your own little thunderstorm. And you can, hang it however you want. You can do, if you get the kind that I got, you can actually do a little stuff with it like, boom.
Can you make it, Big T and the Sugar Bears colors?
What's our colors? That looks pretty cool. Then you can just fiddle around with it, do whatever you like, have some fun, and this will also depend a lot on what kind of lighting you have. If you have a specific kind of LED light, you can do all kinds of fun stuff like this. If you just have a regular old light, you can do whatever you got. And you'll have you a nice little cloud that you can hang anywhere that you want. Personally, I think it'd be really cool out on like a porch or something. But this one's going to Big Mama T. Love you, Mama. And until next time, this is Big T and
the Sugar Bear.
Saying be safe.
Have fun.
And have a good birthday, Mama.